Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of POPxo Hair Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do these 3 easy hairdos for mid-length hair. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So that's it for the video guys, I hope you liked it. These hairstyles are perfect for your office look, your brunch date and many more. And because you love our content so much, join the MyGlamm and POPxo Insider program and get ₹150 off on all MyGlamm beauty products. The link is in the description box below. And for more such content, you know the drill, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye!
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.